What if I told you the key to losing weight, reducing inflammation, and feeling energized isn't hidden in some exotic superfood or magic pill, but in simple, everyday foods that are completely free of carbs and sugar? Yup, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into 16 powerful foods that contain zero or almost zero carbs and sugar, and trust me, replacing junk food with these could completely transform your health. Whether you're fighting inflammation, shedding pounds, or just want to feel better overall, this video is for you. So let's jump straight in. 1. Kale, the inflammation fighter. Kale is a leafy green legend. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat inflammation and energize your cells, all without any carbs or sugar. Eat it raw in salads or lightly steamed for max benefits. 2. Eggs, nature's multivitamin. Eggs are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and every vitamin your body needs except vitamin C, and guess what? No carbs, no sugar. They're perfect for healing, muscle repair, and keeping you full longer. 3. Pecans, the brain booster nut. Pecans are low in net carbs, rich in healthy fats, and high in fiber. They also support your thyroid and brain, thanks to their powerful mineral content and omega-3 south. 4. Cheese, fat-soluble vitamin powerhouse. Good quality cheese is not just delicious, it's rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K2. These nutrients help build stronger bones, teeth, and even improve brain health. No sugar, no carbs, just goodness. 5. Chicken, lean and clean. Lean cuts of chicken are packed with protein, B vitamins, and minerals, all essential for heart health, brain chemistry, and muscle strength. 0 sugar, 0 carbs, simple and clean. 6. Butter, don't fear the fat. Real butter, not the kind mixed with vegetable oils, is one of the best natural sources of bioavailable vitamin A. It strengthens your skin, vision, and immune system, all without sugar or carbs. 7. Beef, the muscle maker. Grass-fed beef is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in iron, zinc, and B12, it's ideal for building strength, boosting energy, and promoting a healthy metabolism, and yep, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. 8. Salmon, the omega king. Salmon is one of the healthiest proteins on the planet. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation, support brain health, and aid fat loss, totally sugar and carb-free. 9. Coconut oil, brain fuel. This natural fat source is not only sugar and carb-free, it's also a brain-boosting, energy-boosting miracle. Cook with it, blend it into smoothies, or use it in keto recipes for an instant upgrade. 10. Green tea, liquid antioxidants. 0 sugar, 0 carbs, and full of plant-based antioxidants. Green tea supports weight loss, brain clarity, and cellular repair. Drink it daily for a natural energy lift. 11. Watermelon, sweet but safe. Watermelon is low in carbs compared to other fruits and has high water content, fiber, and nutrients. In moderation, it's a refreshing alternative to sugary snacks. 12. Cauliflower, the veggie transformer. Cauliflower is a low-carb, sugar-free veggie that helps fight inflammation and even mimic carb-heavy favorites like rice or pizza crust. It's packed with antioxidants and fiber, too. 13. Blackberries, the smart fruit. Berries are your best fruit option on a low-carb diet. Blackberries are rich in brain-boosting compounds, antioxidants, and fiber with minimal sugar and carbs. 14. Xylitol, sweet without the spike. Looking to cut sugar but still want that sweet taste? Xylitol is a natural sugar substitute that doesn't spike insulin, perfect for weight loss and blood sugar control. 15. Mint, flavor and function. Mint adds fresh flavor to meals and drinks without any carbs or sugar. It's great for digestion, inflammation, and even stress relief thanks to its menthol content. 16. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that supports heart health, brain function, and even mental wellness. Combine it with black pepper for maximum absorption, and enjoy it sugar-free. Most cruciferous veggies like broccoli, spinach, and arugula are low-carb and extremely nutrient-dense. Many fruits, even the healthy ones, can sneak in tons of natural sugar, so choose wisely. You don't have to starve yourself or chase fad diets to get healthy. Just by choosing the right low-carb, sugar-free foods, your body starts healing from the inside out. Which of these foods do you already eat? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone starting their health journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly wellness tips.